So this is what it will look like once it's swiveled down. If you don't want it to go down all the way, it will catch here, so it will kind of stay at this position, but it's on flex hoses, so you can't actually rest it on the caliper here. What you will do once you get to this point is loosen this. It's going to be 17 millimeter. Just hold on to this tight so it doesn't move, and you put all your force down here. After that, it's gonna loosen all the way, but it's not gonna drop out. Like the accumulator is not gonna drop out of this. So you're gonna loosen these two, take them out all the way. One more here. So 3 10 millimeters, and then you'll kind of push it down in a way, and it's gonna fall out. When I took mine out, no fluid came out of here. I think it's because, as you can see, I can feel it's super heavy. I think it's totally failed, and it's just full of hydraulic fluid at this point. And you probably should wait, maybe 10-20 minutes after the car is driven to do this, but that's pretty much how I did it. Nothing really happened. So in case, you can have a rag around it when you take it off. I'm talking about the hydraulic line here. And that's basically it. It's gonna swivel back in, and yeah. When you're pushing it back, and it's the same thing when you're taking it out, that part will rub through this. Just push through it. It's gonna go through because that's rubber, and it moves. Now when you continue going, you will have to obviously move it to the right to catch this back here. And it's vice versa when you're taking it off. Make sure you get this bottom one secured on make sure the bracket goes on the actual bolt coming out, because mine missed at first. Looks like there's one more actually right there at the bottom of this assembly, which I probably could have accessed easily. There it is. So I probably, if I would again, I would do both of them at the same time. Now here's what it looks like with all assembled. This nut here is the one you're gonna have to remove. As you can see, this rubber bushing here, it's quite stressed because it's holding up a lot of weight just that one piece. And the other one you're gonna have to take off is this one here. It's very hard to get to. You're gonna need one of these, but maybe even not, because it's so hard to even move it here. But what you can do is with your one thumb push it down, push this bracket down as hard as you can, and then with your finger through the right side you can unscrew it. Same goes on tightening it down, because that bracket is under tension, and that's what's keeping the nut tight. It's not so much the actual force from the nut. So push it down and you should be fine. Again, push the bracket down, and that's basically it. These are the clips I undid here. I did not touch this. I don't know what that's for, some sort of door. And did these 10 millimeter nuts and 2 more pins at the back, and that's basically it. And then you're gonna have to kind of get this rubber out of the fender line here. So that's it.